Hello guys, welcome to your channel Share Support. In today's video, we will discuss how would you get the Final Cut Pro app freely if you have purchased a new MacBook. You must know that Apple gives 90 days free trial period of Final Cut Pro app. It is a very good app. In this app, you can do all type of video editing very easily. So to get the Final Cut Pro app freely, we need to go to the Apple website. Here you go, the apple.com, and over here we will search Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro. Here you go. Here you go, the Final Cut Pro. You can see try Final Cut Pro for free. Click on it, and then here you press download now, and it will start downloading. Look, it will start downloading. I have already a Final Cut Pro, so I am stopping it. You can download here and then install here and enjoy the Final Cut Pro app. Thank you.